Hi dear students, a very good morning. Welcome back to IT class. In this video, we are going to see the continuation of last video, chapter 3, modifying a worksheet. In last class, we have studied how to insert and delete cells, rows and columns. In this video, what we are going to learn? The first thing is changing the background color of the cell. The next is changing the text color of the cell. The next is paste special feature. The next is changing alignment. The next is changing orientation. The next is wrap multiple line. Next, merge several lines and then shrink text into the cell. These are the things we are going to learn in this lesson. The first thing is changing the background color of the cell. For that, what you have to do? First, we have to select the cell. Then you have to click on the fill color icon on the font group of Home tab. Then we have to choose the color. If you want more color, you can click on the more option. Then select the color and then color dialog box appears. Okay, from that you can select the color and then click on OK. Now see, this is your color dialog box. You can select the color and then give OK. Now see, the cells have been applied colors, background colors. These cells have been applied background colors. This is the procedure how to apply or change the background color of the cell. The next one is changing the text color of the cell. How to change the text color of the cell? Select the cell that you want to change the text color. So first we have to select the cell that you want to change the text color. Then click on the font color icon on the font group of Home tab. The same procedure as like background we are going to apply for the text. Now click on the arrow just right to the font color icon and choose color. So here we are going to choose the color. Select any one color and click on OK. Now after selecting this, we have to click on OK. Now see, the text has been colored. Okay, this is how to color the text or change the text color. The next one, paste special feature. Paste special feature allows you to specify that only the entries to be copied without formatting. So here the formatting won't be done, but only the entries will be copied, or just the formatting will be copied without the entries. Either this or that will be done in this paste special feature. To use the paste special feature, select the range of the data you wish to copy. So you have to select this, like this we have to select. After that, click on the copy icon from clipboard group of Home tab or press Ctrl+C. You all know what is Ctrl+C, shortcut key for copy. Then click on the where you want to paste. Next you have to click on the cell where you want to paste that information. Now see, click the down arrow of the paste icon from clipboard group of Home tab and click paste icon option. So this is how we have to do. The next one, paste special dialog box will display. Select necessary option and click OK. So here what to be copied, all our formulas, our values, or format, our comments, are which to be copied you have to select and then you have to give on OK. Now see, here the cells has been pasted. The next one, alignment option. The alignment option contained in the alignment group of the Home tab. This alignment options will be in the Home tab. For more alignments option, click on the format cell alignment arrow which is located under the alignment group to display the format cell dialog box. So this is your format cell alignment arrow. The next one, alignment option. What are the alignment option? You all know the alignment option will be in the Home tab in the alignment group. The first one is align left, align right, align center, align top, and then middle alignment, bottom alignment. You know what is align left? It will align the text to the left. Right, it will align the text to the right. Center, it will align the text to the center. And then top, it will align the information on the top. The next one, middle, the align data to the horizontal center of the cell. It will be aligned in the horizontal center. The next one, bottom, it will be aligned the data to the bottom of the cell. This is the use of this alignment object. Now see, this is your alignment. Top icon, alignment icon. This is your top alignment. This is your middle alignment and this is your bottom alignment. Bottom. The next one, right alignment, center and left alignment. The next one, changing orientation of the data. What do you mean by orientation? Orientation means changing the words or text in a angle counterclockwise. Okay, counterclockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, like that we have vertical, like that we have that thing. Select the cell or cells you wish to change. select on the orientation icon. So here is your orientation icon. Here's your orientation icon. Now you have to select on that in the alignment group of home tab. Drop down menu allowing you to format cell orientation and select any comment. Now see, here there are many comment. In that you can select whichever you want. Angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down, format cell alignment. These are the options. You can choose whatever you want. Now see the next one. They are given angle clockwise. So see, this is the text which displays in the angle clockwise. The next one, wrap multiple lines of data in a cell. How to wrap 4 to 5 lines of data. Type the text. How do I wrap text in a cell? Into the cell C5 and press enter key. After pressing this, you have to press on enter key. Select the cell C5 and then click on the home tab in the alignment group. Click the text wrap icon. So you have to select the C5 and then you have to click on the text wrap. After that, type the text. After that, see what's happening. How do I wrap text? Now see how do I wrap text is aligned in the row. Okay, this is how we can wrap the text in a single line. The next one, merge several cells. How to merge several cells? Select the cell that you wish to merge to become one cell. So we have to select number of cells, which one you want to merge together. On the home tab in alignment group, click on the merge and center icon. So now you have to click on the merge and center icon. Now see, it will be get merged data into a cell. It is merged. The next one, shrink the text into one cell. How to shrink the text into one cell? What do you mean by shrink? Putting all the information in one cell. Type the data you required into cell and press enter key. Right click on the selected cell, click format cell. After that, what you have to do, we have to click on the format cells. From the format cell dialog box displayed, click on the alignment tab. We have to click on the alignment tab. Under the text control selection, tick the shrink to fit checkbox and click OK. So here, this is your format cell option. Now this is your shrink to fit applied. Okay, now it is applied. Now see, this one is your orientation. You have to select and then click on OK. This is how we can shrink the text into the cell. Now see, I will give you another video. I will post you another video explaining this. Okay, explaining these procedures, how to change the background, how to change the background text like that. I will post you another video. Please watch.